Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how to change between your metric and US units. So basically your Fahrenheit to Celsius and your miles to kilometers. So first you'll start the vehicle to make sure all this is lit up. And then we're going to be using these arrows and this check button to scroll. So we started on this trip screen. So now I'm going to scroll to the right to vehicle, and then we'll scroll down till we get to units, and then we'll press this check. And then here, say we want to go to metric, which would be your kilometers and Celsius. We'll select that, and now all the units just automatically updated. So you can see now my mileage is now in kilometers. And then if you want to switch it back, again, just select units, go to US, hit check, and then you can see in real time again it's now back to miles. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.